morning all of you. I Razia Pathan from Gnan Manjari Vidyapat, standard 4th. So students, today we will start worksheet number 12, division by the 10 and 100. So before starting that worksheet, students will do one activity that I'll show you here. So look at this, students, then we'll start worksheet number 12.
This is a group activity, so you will have to pair students and give each pair 30 ones block. These are the ones blocks, so you have to give each pair 30 ones block. These blocks can be taken from your school kit. In this activity, you will be writing these questions on the board as shown in the video. Ask students to find out which numbers are exactly divisible by 10, that is, which can form equal groups. And note down the responses in the table as mentioned in the lesson plan. Here, I will be modeling you the activity as a student. So let us see how we do it. Teachers, now I will be modeling it out how students should be doing it in the classroom. The first question is, we have to check, that is, if 10 can be divided into 10 equal groups. How would I do it? I will start by placing the ones block one by one into 10 equal groups. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We see that 10 can be equally distributed in 10 equal groups where each group has one block. Thus, 10 is divided by 10. Let's take an second example of 15. This is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Here we see that 15 cannot be divided equally into 10 groups. Thus, 15 is not divisible by 10. Teachers, please make sure that students are doing it as mentioned, as shown in the video. Also, please ask students while they are doing the activity on how did they find out whether 15, 10, 18, 20 can be divided into equal groups or not. Towards the end of the activity, teachers, please point to the table as shown in the lesson plan and mention that it is very easy to recognize which numbers can be divided by 10 by just looking at them. The numbers that have 0 at their ones place can be easily divisible by 10. Similarly, numbers that have 0 in their tens and one place are easily divisible by 100. This is how we can recognize which numbers are divisible by 10, 100 by just looking at them and not performing the actual division. Teachers, please mention these reasons and these points clearly in the classroom as shown in this video. Also, refer to the lesson plan carefully while conducting these activities. Thank you.
Okay students, so now we'll start worksheet number 10, worksheet number 12. In that worksheet, division by 100 and 10. So let's start that worksheet will start student now. So students, here we have to learn about the numbers is divided by 10 and 100. Is this possible or not? So what we have to do first, if a number has a 0 in the ones place, number है वो 0 हो गए ones की place में, it can be divided by 10. वो है वो क्या हो गए, वो है divide हो गए 10 के साथ. It is possible to divide with the 10. For example, okay students, now look it over here. 430 can be divided by 10. Can be divided by 10. So students, if a number has a 0 in the ones place. Now look at here. Ones, tens and 100. So this is a 0. Here is a 0. This is a 0. This 0 in the which place? Ones place. and divide by 10. So division is possible. Yes, divide by 10. So 0 0 will cut. So answer should be 43. Right? 43 is there. So yes, division is possible by 10. Right? Now second one question is, if a number has a 0 in the tens place and the ones place, it can be divided by both 10 and 100. Okay. Now अभी देखो नंबर है वो डिवाइडेड, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 4300 कैन बी डिवाइडेड बाई 10 एज वेल एज 100. 10 के साथ भी वो डिवाइड हो सकते हैं और 100 के साथ भी डिवाइड हो सकते हैं. हाउ इट इज? सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल 4300 डिवाइड बाई 10. So what we have to do? We have to cut the 1 0. So answer should be 430. And if we have to divide 4300 divide by 100, so we'll cut the 2 0 because of the here is also 2 0 and here is also 2 0. So it is possible. So answer should be 43. Got it, students? Now I'll give you this. I'll give you 2 minutes. You have to write this in your maths notebook. Then we'll see the another example. What we have to do when we'll start the division, that we'll do here. Okay students, now we'll start next question. Here is some example that we'll do. So we have to write the heading examples. In that A1 example is 540 divide by 10. So here we have to write first answer is equal to 500 divided by 40. So what we have to do, students? We have to cut 0. We have to cut the 0. Sorry, यहाँ पे divide by 10 है, ठीक है? We have to cut the 0. So here 14 divided by 1. 14 divided by 1. So answer is 54. Answer is 54. Got it? Then second one question, B1 question is 6500 divided by 100. So what we have to do? We have to write it here. Answer is equal to 6500 divided by 100. So what we have to do, students? We have to cancel the 0. 1 2 1 2. Okay. So answer is 65 divided by 1. Answer is 65 divided by 1. So here we have to write 65. 65 is the final answer. And here 54 is the final answer. Now students, I'll give you 1 minute. You have to write this in your maths notebook. Then we'll start next example. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start next question. Next one question, C1 question is students 5700 divided by 10. So here we have to write the answer is equal to 5700 divided by 10 we have to cancel the 0 over here. So 5017 divided by 1. So answer is, students, 5017. This one is a answer. Then second one question, D1 question. 5870 divided by 10. So answer is 5817 divided by 10. We have to cancel the 0 over here. 587 divided by 1. So answer is 5087. Answer is 5087. This one is the student's answer. Now I'll give you 1 minute. You have to write this in your maths notebook. Then we'll start next question. Okay students, now we'll start next question. Question number 1. Question number 1. In that question is, write yes if the number given below are divisible by 10. Okay, so let's start that. In that, A1 question is 205. A1 question is 205. So students, here is a, we have to look at here ones place. Ones place 0 is there? No. So division is possible? Not possible. So here we have to write no. D1 question 250. See, हमारा क्वेश्चन क्या है? राइट yes if the number given below are divided by 10. So 10 से 205 और डिवाइड नहीं हो रहा है. 15 is there, 250. So division is possible? Yes, because of the in the ones place 0 is there. C1 question 025. Now in the ones place 0 is there? No. So here we have to write division is not possible. D1 question 1100 is there. So here is a ones place 0 is there, students. So division is possible? Yes. So we have to write here yes. Now E1 question 1010. Okay students, so division is possible. Ones place 0 is there? Yes. So here we have to write yes. F1 question 1000. 1000 divided by 10 is possible. So here we have to write yes. G1 question 30. So students, in that 13 divided by 10 possible? Yes. F1 question 45. 45 divided by 10 is possible? Not possible, because in the ones place there is a 5 is there. So here we have to write no. Now students, I will give you 1 minute. You have to write this in your maths workbook. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now we'll start second one question. Solve the following. B1 question will start now. Let's start at that. Second one question is, students, solve the following. In that, A1 question is 4,900 divided by 100. Here is a blank. So students, what we have to do? 4,000 divided by 100. So we have to cancel the 0. So 49 divided by 1. So answer is 49. So here we have to write 49. B1 question, 510 divided by 10. So what we have to do? We have to write 510 divided by 10. We have to cancel the 0. So 51 divided by 1. So answer is 51. Answer is 51. So here we have to write 51. Now students, I'll give you 1 minute. You have to write this in your maths notebook. Then we'll start C1 question. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start C1 question. So C1 question is 1200 divided by 100 is equal to dash. So here we have to write 1200 divided by 100. So we have to cancel the 0. So 12 divided by 1. Answer is 12. So here we have to write 12. I'll give you 1 minute, students. You have to write this in your maths notebook. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start next portion. D1 portion will start. So students, in the D1 portion, 850 divided by 10 is equal to dash. So here we have to write 850 divided by 10. We have to cut the 0. 85 divided by 1. So answer is 85. We have to write here 85. Here answer is 85. E1 question, 4,300 divided by 10. So we have to write here is equal to dash is there. We have to write here 4,300 divided by 10. Cut the 0. So here we have to write 430 divided by 1. Answer is 430. So here we have to write 430. Now students, I'll give you 1 minute. You have to write this in your maths notebook. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now your homework is, you have to complete the worksheet number 12 in your maths notebook and workbook both. दोनों में आपको worksheet number 12 complete करनी है and you have to send it to me homework before 1:30. Before 1:30 से पहले आप लोगों को मुझे homework send करना है. Okay everyone, I hope your work is complete. Bye everyone, have a nice day.